Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangudio, and today I got another video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about advanced custom fields and secure custom fields. Alright, let's go. First of all, install the plugin. Alright, you can go with advanced custom fields if you like, or you can go with secure custom fields. Alright, personally, I'm going to go with secure custom fields, not due to anything other than that basically secure custom field offers what ACF Pro has. You know what I mean? You don't need ACF Pro anymore. Like Secure Custom Fields does all of that for free. So let's get to it. So first of all, go to Secure Custom Fields, and just to understand something before you go into Secure Custom Fields and custom fields, advanced custom fields, basically. There is something that's called here post types, taxonomies as well. But I would advise actually against using these over here. I would use CPT UI. Let me tell you what's the difference, all right? Difference is very critical, very similar, but it's just down to one point at the end of the day. In CPT UI, you register the taxonomy and the post type basically for the whole website, all right? For secure custom fields and post type, that might be just for the page or for like the custom post type on a specific page or like on a specific display note. All right, so just to simplify things for you, all right, you can check out the references over here. But as you can see, also I got this from this article over here. So building post type relationship, ACF enables you to establish relationship between custom post types, which it is. I would advise against like using ACF for taxonomies and post types, but you can if you want to, but again, it's in a different way. All right, because it's using relationship and post object fields, which stores IDs as pointers, facilitating easy retrieval and efficient management of connected content. So the key point over here is connected content. All right, if you want connected content inside your books, like for example, I need inside the books like a field that's gonna show me basically something that's special that I cannot add over here in the edit or in adding new book. Right, what I'm talking about is like the text excerpt description. Maybe you need like a long description, you know what I mean, like not a excerpt, like a long description. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Let's actually do that. So first thing you need to do is just, I'm going to close all these tabs. All right, and I'm sorry about the long explanation, but it's gonna benefit you. Over here, as you can see, the book itself right now does not have anything else more than like the book category, and this can be changed to be hierarchical, so we can choose the like the selection of the book category from here, but that's not necessary for now. But again, you can do that. What we're going to do is we need to add in the long text description, right? Right now we don't have that. We have an excerpt, right? We have the featured image. We can add whatever we would like over here, of course, but I'm talking about like specific like text that's going to be used on each and every book, right? So that is a field that you want to add that's going to be applied to each and every book. All right, so the new field, all right, first of all, the field group, name it according to the custom post type. So books field group. It's not gonna matter anything in like the logic, but it's just for better like reference when you get back to this area. Right, so I'm just gonna save the changes, and right now we do not have anything. We have just a label over here, just a text, and it has no label, I'm sorry. So we can call that long description. All right, again, if you do not want text, you can call it text area. I think text area would be more appropriate instead of just regular text. You can even use a what you see is what you get editor, but it's not really necessary for the use case over here. Again, you can choose whatever you would like, whatever basically field you would like to add, you can add. If you want to add in an image, you can add an image. If you want to add a file, you can add a file, so on and so forth. All right, just understand that there are some relational objects, all right, but these kind of need like a video on their own, and the advanced as well need a video on their own. If you want me to do that, I'll do that in the next video, maybe in the video afterwards, but for now, let's just make a normal text field, all right, a text area field. Let's save the changes, all right. Right now, it's not gonna appear if I go back to this page. Let me split the screen for you. Why? Because right now we are not giving it any rule, basically, where should it be shown. The only rule that it has over here is show this field group if the post type is equal to post. So we're just going to change this into book, save the changes. And as you can see right now, we have the long description over here. We can just get some lorem text, right? And since the video is already like 6 minutes long, I think in the next video we can show you how to display these custom fields. All right, because right now we're not gonna see any of this because we don't have a way to actually display it. All right, but again, as you can see right now in book number 3, we have added the custom field of long description. Again, you can name it whatever you would like. If you want to name it like book long description, it will be book long description. You know what I mean? Whatever you want to name it, you can name it whatever you want. All right, so that's pretty much it for basically how to assign an advanced custom field or a secure custom field. It's basically just a custom field at the end of the day, but again, as a recommendation, I would use secure custom fields because it offers everything that advanced custom fields has, like the pro version, but for free. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to be basically just displaying this on the front end because right now we cannot see it on the front end, okay? So peace.